Do you remember your first field experience as an undergraduate? And also, why was it meaningful for you?
A little group of us got together and we would have field trips around the region and just learn things about the environment and sort of reinforce each other's interest in that. That was what got me into ecology, that sort of joy of being out in the field and the woods. I love thinking about ecology as the science of interactions. That's one of the things that really characterizes our field.
Those first experiences stay in people's minds for decades. I participated in a summer undergraduate research experience at my home institution. Really cemented my interest in the field, something I never would have experienced in my suburban Midwestern upbringing. Really beneficial part of it was being able to work closely with some ecological researchers, professionals, and get to know them outside of a classroom context. Really valuable experience.
Did the proverbial summer vacation to Montana when I was a freshman in high school. Jumped in the back of a station wagon and drove out there, and I fell in love with nature that way. Project forward now, I'm undergraduate in college. I had to do a summer field experience. And so my summer field experience was 6 weeks in Eastern Oregon, backpacking and collecting data on plants and birds. I was hooked after that. So that field experience signed, sealed, and delivered it for me as what I wanted to do with my career.
I do remember my field experience. It was very exciting. And they took us to the field in an ecology class. And I think our job was to identify plant communities. So we have to identify plant species and then organizing plant species into plant communities. And so we were in a grassland and we were seeing how the different patches were different. We were all thrilled. It was a great experience.
An eye-opening experience for me because of the way that we blended coursework and field work throughout the year. Provided a way forward of looking at ecological questions in a larger context of the Earth system and society.
It was eye-opening and it set a course for a new life for me. It was my first experience with teamwork in a really creative way. So being out in the field with other students, learning how people think in very different ways from in the classroom, and working together to solve problems was the beginning of my passion for doing field work.